Hi students, welcome to online classes. First chapter, nature and purpose of business. In this, there are three economic activities. One is profession, employment, business. The third economic activity in the first chapter, business. It is an economic activity. Business is also one of the economic activity concerned with production and sale of goods and services for the purpose of earning profit. Why we are going to conduct business? What is the reason? To earn profit. Every business, a wholesale business, retail business, or large business or companies, every business, the main intention of to start a business is earning profit. See, business is an economic activity, production and sale of goods and services to earn profit. That is called business. Clear? It is an economic activity concerned with production and sale of goods and services for the purpose of earning. For the purpose means the reason of earning profit. Okay. What are all the features or characteristics of business? Okay. First one is economic activity. Yes, business is the economic activity. Yes, by conducting any business, we are going to earn profit called in the form of finance or money, right? So it is an economic activity. Sale and transfer or exchange value. You see, production of goods and services, we are going to sell at the time. Exchange value that is concerned with the business is sales of products. Transfer means one place to another place transfer, and exchange value means, for example, the pen is 10 rupees. This will be exchange value 12 rupees. Means 2 rupees profit. Next, profit motive. Yes, the third feature of business to earning profit. It is the basic motto of every business organization. Next, capital investment. First, we are going to start any business. First of all, we are going to invest capital in the business. In this business, for example, I invest 10,000. Next year, 12,000 profit means 2,000 profit. 12,000, 10 plus 2 is equals to 12,000. How much profit? 2,000 profit, right? Next, element of risk. Risk is common. Maybe the business may be a success means profit, maybe a loss. Not guaranteed, right? So element of risk. Regular dealing of transaction. Every day the business organization dealing production, sales, incomings, outgoings, receivables, payables. This is a regular dealing of transaction. Dealing of goods and services. Every business organization do the same. Goods sell and receive the money. Services called hotel services, cellular services, called mobile phone, also one of the business. They are going to see Idea, Airtel, MTS, these kind of services given to you. For that you are going to pay amount, right? That is a services, goods and services dealing, every business. Entrepreneurship. Who is an entrepreneur? One who start a new business is called an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship, it is a process of doing all the business activities called entrepreneurship. A single person do the same. These are the 8 features of business. Next important topic, comparison or differentiation between business, profession and employment. Yes, first one is business, profession, employment. Differences or comparisons. See, first difference, I am going to differentiate you people. It is concerned with production and sale of goods and services. Business concerned with production and sale of goods and services. Profession, rendering specialized personal services to clients means people. Okay. Next, employment concerned with the performing the work assigned by the employer. Employee, employer. Here profession means doctor and patient. For examples, doctor and patient relationship, employer and employee relationship. Here production of sale and goods and services, business organization. Okay. Next, second difference, specialized knowledge not required. See, not necessary. Here, specialized knowledge necessary. Here, specialized knowledge necessary for some jobs, some jobs not required. Okay? Specialized knowledge, some jobs get ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Some jobs के necessity ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ specialized knowledge compulsory ಬೇಕು. Why? Because it is a profession. Next, specialized knowledge is not required. Bekage illa. No, not required for business specialized knowledge. Next, third difference, capital, more capital. Yes, every business organization invest more capital. The profession, no capital requirement. Every profession also not required any capital, and also employment also not required capital. They receive salary, they receive fees, but here more risk, profit or loss, both bear by the business peoples. Next, more risk, less risk, no risk. Business, more risk. Profession, less risk, no risk. Employment. Next, earning profit. Who is going to earning profit? Business peoples. Profession receives fees. They are earning fees. Employment earning salary or wages. Next, business. Transfer of ownership possible. Yes, I will start one business in the year of 2005. Now in the year of 2010, I don't want to continue. I will sell it to another person. My business will be transfer ownership to another person. It is possible under business, but in the profession, not possible. Why? Because doctor himself, he gives a treatment. He cannot transfer his knowledge, special needs and professional activities. Next, not possible. Employee also do their personal services to themselves, so that reason not possible. Here only possibility transfer only in the business. Last one is no code of conduct. There is no rules and regulation for they will take own decisions in the business. Next, come to the profession. Code of conduct followed, rules, regulations, law amendments and all they followed. Here norms of behavior by the employer. Employer means owner. Give norms based on that employee performance. See, employer and employee follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here code of conduct, rules, regulations possible. Here no rules and regulations. These are the differentiation between business, profession and employment. Okay, thank you. Continue in the next class.